Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful and well-maintained two-story, 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom house sits majestically on a gentle sloping hill in the cool parish of Manchester. Its wraparound balcony gives you the opportunity to sit, relax and enjoy the panoramic views of the Blue Mountain in Manchester. Its electronic gate opens to an asphalt driveway for additional parking space leading up to a garden area with ornamental plants and a variety of fruit trees. Only 10 minutes drive from the town of Mandeville and close proximity to schools, hospital and a stone throw away from the police station. The land area of this house is approximately 9,547 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.